So today my yet another favorite deck. I just love these cards. I still remember years back I got this as a gift. So let's pick. Now two cards have come for card 1 because I was picking for card 1, so two came, so I will take two. Even for day 2, for the people who will select second set, I am taking two cards. So this is the first set and this is the second set. Okay, so you can call on the divine, call on your angels, archangels to allow you to select the deck or the set 1 or set 2. I give you 2 seconds for it. Now let's go to set 1. The two cards. Wow. Okay, now that's a 6 of swords and that's a chariot. When I see these cards, I feel it is just that, the 6 of swords here is showing that a person taking care of his family and taking care of children and pets. So maybe it is time today. You need to take your time out from work, keep your work at your back, and you need to focus on your children, focus on spending time with them. Again, when I see the chariot card, now if you see this chariot card, it's very different from our normal cards. You see here there are 4 wolves and there is a person. Okay, now there's a lady. She's not making them to run the way our rider white shows. She is looking at them. So whatever is the conditions or things which are happening around you, have a look at them, plan it, because if you see there are 3 white and 1 black wolf. So maybe some conspiracy is happening which you feel actually is happening, but you're not able to pinpoint it. So just have a look, keep looking around as to what you feel maybe is happening, and you somewhere your heart knows what it is, but it is not ready to accept it. So go by what your heart is saying. Somewhere you'll come to know. But overall, if you see today, I feel it's a beautiful day where you need to spend time with your loved ones first thing, and also a day when things will be really good. You will get a clarity, you will come to know who's the person who has been behind you. Now coming to the person who took, people who selected the second cards. Now that's another beautiful card, the 9 of swords and the 7 of swords. If you see, though 7 of swords, there's a snake, there's a raven. The 9 of swords, there is a building, but if you see the closer, if you see here, it's a sphinx. Can you see here? Okay, and there's a building. So there is someone which is safeguarding everywhere. So it's at the background. So someone is safeguarding your house, someone is protecting everything which is for you, someone is taking care of your things, so you don't need to worry. Now when we come here also, if you see, usually, now if you see here, I can only see the green here. Maybe there is some healing needed. Maybe there's a lot of things which is running in your mind, which is troubling you, which you are not able to understand why and what. And if you have not been well for the past 2 days, or for the past 1 or 2 days, or the first couple of weeks, you need to do healing on yourself. You need to see how you can work on benefiting yourself. But overall, if you see both the cards, I feel it's a good indication that you're protected, you're safe. Just a little bit of healing and you will get going. Have a great day.